So the Samsung Galaxy S25 series will be released in early January 2025, with 3 models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and the flagship Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung's S series is well known for delivering powerful performance, excellent cameras, and cutting-edge Galaxy AI. And with the new lineup on the way, the issue is whether the Galaxy S25 Ultra will provide major advancements over its predecessor. One of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's main critiques was its size and sharp, flat edges. To address these problems, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is believed to have slightly curved edges and a sleeker, more ergonomic appearance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's display size and features are expected to remain substantially unchanged, with the M13 OLED panel being used. While this represents no significant advancement in display technology, it does ensure the continuation of a high-quality viewing experience. In terms of performance, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is believed to be powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite CPU, which represents a significant boost over the Galaxy S24 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. When combined with a reported increase in RAM from 12GB to 16GB, the new model promises speedier performance and increased efficiency, making it a powerhouse for multitasking and demanding apps. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera system has a 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical magnification. The ultra-wide camera on the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be upgraded to 50 megapixels, but the other camera specifications will likely remain intact. There is also conjecture concerning improved telephoto lens capabilities, which could include fixed focal lengths for increased adaptability. Battery capacity is predicted to remain at 5,000 mAh, the same as its predecessor. However, combining a more efficient processor with additional RAM may result in longer battery life. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is also expected to launch with One UI 7, which has new Galaxy AI technologies that improve usability. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.